Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another Moltman episode. Back in the Turkey Woods, I got Josh Hilliard from First Light with me. He's on the gun this morning.
Let's see what happens.
It's dark right now. It's windy. It's misting. So we're gonna go get set up, see if we can hear some gobbles. Pretty sure I know where some are roosting. Got a highway behind us, so getting the decoys loaded, getting my pack ready, and fingers crossed, go find some big old toms. Alright guys, it's super windy this morning, but we're set up in a really good spot. Seen turkeys here this week, strutting in this area, so this is the only water on this 700-acre piece. So we know that they have to come this way at some point today. And usually they're gonna come to water pretty quick after they get off the roost. Especially if these hens are on nests. These toms are gonna be searching. They're gonna come to water looking for fresh hens, so we haven't heard any gobbles yet. Super windy. They could be just right over this ridge. But we're just gonna sit here, hang tight, overcast, and see what happens. Changed our setup.
Yeah, moved a little bit. Saw a bird struck way far off. Kinda just moved in that direction. And we just fired up a couple of birds. Down in this little valley down here. Sounds like they're moving this way a little bit.
There's one close and like a couple further.
They're definitely not that far.
Got him, got him. Dude. Yes! I didn't even see him. You shot and I was like, what did you just shoot?
Dude, they're coming right down.
Dude,
to the side.
good bird.
Great bird.
Man, we could have shot that other one.
Dude, I wasn't even.
Hey, it's
I was
done,
just
dude.
excited to have one, dude.
410.
Trusty old 410, baby.
I can't
Man, that
believe
is
that
some
hen was like
redemption right there.
5 feet
She
from
was so
us.
close to us. I felt just so exposed. Dude, this thing
That is a,
did a number on
that's a
me.
big one.
It's a big bird this week today.
Yeah, he's got big spurs. That's a 3-year-old bird, I bet. Bro,
Dude.
again.
Man, that feels good. After this morning,
410 did it.
first Rio.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah.
Easterns, and I killed like a hybrid primarium last year in Nebraska. This first Rio.
The other one was big too, huh?
Yeah, they're nice, both nice birds.
Let's go get on him. Well, guys, I left you hanging a little bit there this morning. We had a rough couple hours this morning. I'm not gonna lie, it happened to me earlier in the week. That 12 gauge, I think it's just shooting the choke we have in it. It's just a little too tight of a group, which people would pray for and hope for in a turkey gun. But came out here to the old deer lease, and Josh got it done with the 410. So, and there are birds still gobbling. So I got 4 tags, he's got 3 left. We're not gonna try to kill all our tags, but definitely want to put some birds on the ground. Angel wants some smoked turkey breasts, so we're gonna get them tagged and take them up to the cooler, let them cool down, and go out and see if we can't find some more. It's like what, 3:45?
Yeah, I got plenty of time.
So
early in the afternoon.
yep. Well, congrats.
Thanks, dude.
First Rio.
Appreciate having me.
Check out the new Trace gear by First Light. Josh works for First Light, if y'all didn't know, but this stuff is, it's pretty hot out right now. It's windy and it feels amazing. So good stuff, perfect for turkey hunting and early season whitetail. But we're gonna see if we can't go get a few more long beards. We're searching for turks, and Josh ran into his first rattlesnake. Dude, look how big his rattle is for how small he is. That's wild.
Ran right over him.
Well, that completes my bow.
There you go. And I get to see a rattlesnake and not mess with it.
Clay Hayes brought me a bow stave, and that'll be the other side of the bow for me. That's awesome.
Maybe hit in there and took some
Made it back to the ranch. What do you think, Ryder?
took some feathers off.
Ryder,
Yeah.
is that a big old turkey?
Yeah.
Look, he's showing his tail off to you.
Yeah.
What is this called?
Feathers.
That's his beard.
Beard.
Yeah.
Well, of the lint?
Yep. You want to help me clean him?
Yes. Yeah.
What's this? Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
That's the snood.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
All right, guys. Turkey. How to clean a turkey 101. First, I take the beard and the fan off. So we'll come down here to the base of the beard, cut that off. Get a measure on that one here in a minute. But cut the beard off. Then on the tail, what you want to do? Come in from the back, and you go right above the vent. Low.
Oh, eat it.
You want to eat it? We're gonna eat it for dinner.
Okay. Can I see?
Yep.
What is it?
Huh?
Turkey?
Yeah.
Where? Can I see the wings?
Huh?
I want to the wings.
Look, Ryder, here's the fan.
Okay.
Pull these feathers off. There's just some feathers, Bubba.
What is it?
There's a nice, pretty fan.
What is this?
That's a feather. Oh, that's his meat. We gotta take that off so we can put it on the wall. Josh can take it home.
Okay. I can.
You can?
Yeah.
It's a turkey. What are you doing?
Cutting his foot so we can get his spurs. What are you doing? Huh?
What are you doing?
Dinner. Alright guys, next step on turkey. Go right here to that bone.
Here.
Go in with your knife.
Here.
Just cut.
It's a turkey.
Cut enough to where I can spread that skin and it exposes the breast. It's a turkey. Turkey meat. Pop those legs. Pop them right out of their socket. Ooh, is that yummy, Ryder? Is that warm? Just a little bit. And you just want to follow it just like you would a dove.
Are you cutting it?
Yeah, I'm cutting the meat off so we can eat it for dinner.
Okay. Can I cut it?
No, not right now.
What is the size?
And you just want to follow that breastplate down till you get that whole turkey breast off.
Good job, Daddy.
Thanks, Bubba. Let me wash it off first.
What is this? What is
Now I'm
this?
taking off these back legs.
What is this?
Just like that. Angel will make broth out of them. Be perfect for broth. We were just talking about how to cook wild turkey legs. So I've never been able to make them tender unless you put them in the crock pot, and then that's good. But if y'all have a recipe, leave it in the comments. If y'all have a delicious wild turkey leg recipe. So I'm gonna take one of these wings too for,
Wings?
yeah, I'm gonna put it in the freezer so I can make arrows.
Can I eat it? Is it dark?
I'm gonna put this, so I'll put this in the freezer and we can use these feathers right here for fletchings on arrows. I'll have to get back with Clay Hayes on that one. I clean a turkey. Now we're starving, we've been hunting all day, so we will see y'all in the kitchen. We're gonna do some fried turkey nuggets for dinner. It's like 10 o'clock, turkey time. We got some potatoes going over there. So what I'm doing, I took about a half a breast, it's just me and Josh eating. Angel's gonna eat a few pieces, but I'm cutting it against the grain and just making long turkey strips, just like that. Piling them up, and we're gonna use almond flour, some egg wash, and some Critter Glitter fish and fowl. So I'm gonna get these all prepped, and then we're gonna fry them in a little canola oil. So see y'all when they're frying. A little bit harder. That's what they look like when they're nice and seasoned. Egg wash and almond flour. And you just want to crisp them up on both sides. And this is one of my favorite ways to cook wild turkey. I told Josh I love wild turkey jerky, so we're actually going back to my house before he has to go to the airport for a day, so I'm gonna make him some wild turkey jerky to take home. We're already
We're already halfway to digging in.
Oh,
Forgot
good.
about it. This.
Very good.
We are exhausted.
Long day.
Give you a little rating real quick. 1 out of 10 on old turkey. I overcooked them. We were working on something cool. I'll show you here in a second, but I overcooked them big time. So 1 out of 10. Ketchup. Always. Decent. Give it like a 7.3. What do you think?
Like an 8.
8? So this is what we were working on. We took the gizzard out of his turkey and cleaned all the rocks out of the gizzard. And I ordered these little glass vials on Amazon. So now he's got a little, start your collection.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go home and order them too.
Just these little tiny glass deals. They're like 10 bucks, 9 bucks on Amazon. But we're gonna eat dinner and go to bed and wake up and turkey hunt and do it again. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, go check out my link in the description. The new Trace First Light gear is awesome. So y'all go check it out. See you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and remember, eat good.